we can see very clearly that there is a lot of efforts from the Lagos axis to colonize this part of the country. Today, Lagos wouldn't allow us to choose our area. Lagos has to come to the center of Kano to put their own area at the center of
The presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP) in the 2023 gubernatorial election and leader of the Kwankwaso movement, Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, has alleged plans from Lagos to colonize the northern region. Kwankwaso made the allegation while delivering a speech during the convocation ceremony of Skyline University, Kano, claiming Lagos has been on the way to the issue of the Emirates tussle in Kano State. Kwankwaso, a former governor of Kano State, also lamented the avalanche of challenges bedeviling the north, including economic crisis, insecurity, poverty, hunger, and different kinds of diseases. Saying the situation is not good for the country, Kwankwaso said, "Let me note our situation here in Kano and indeed northern Nigeria. The Emir is just being a stooge at this very difficult time, especially in this part of the country, northern Nigeria. Today, we can see very clearly that there is a lot of effort from the Lagos axis to colonize the part of the country. Today, Lagos wouldn't allow us to choose an Emir. Lagos has come to the center of Kano to put their own Emir." Kwankwaso also spoke on tax collection, saying, "Today, we are aware that the Lagos young men are working so hard to impose taxes and take away our taxes from Kano and this part of the country to Lagos. Today, as we have seen, even the telephones that we make or register here in Kano, efforts are there to take all the taxes to Lagos. Even our sons and daughters who have brought factories, many of them here in Kano and northern Nigeria, and even banks, somehow, they are forced to take their headquarters to Lagos because taxes will now have to go to Lagos." Kwankwaso therefore called on the lawmakers from the northern part of the country to wake up and make sure the region is not cheated in any way. At this moment, I would like to call all our National Assembly members to keep their eyes open so that they don't do anything that would cheat the people of northern Nigeria, especially here in Kano. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.